everybody, and welcome to a new update video. As you see from the title, it's also going to be a little rant. I'm gonna make the video short. I'm a bit sick. Maybe you can hear it from my voice. Let's just jump straight into it, and just gonna show you the numbers quickly that I've been running last week and how my results are looking. So at this given moment I'm at almost $1,400. It's been going quite well. I again made a couple of manual sales. There were a lot of profitable days in the last week, as you see. 3%, 3.6%, 1.5%. I was averaging 1.78% per day in the past week. I sold 2 coins manually for an average of minus 4%, as I told you a couple of times already. When I have coins that are like older, as you see these two for example, 28 days, at some point I just sell them. They're just dead. They're dead assets. I think it's worth more selling them at some point, so you allocate some more funds that you can reinvest in other coins. I usually do it when they jump to a better percentage. Like let's say these would go to less than 10%, I would sell them immediately. Same for this one. But usually I wait like when they go under 5%. If these, for example here, if this would be like up for, I don't know, let's say 15 days or 20 days, I would sell this immediately if it were at minus 0.98. But for the moment everything's looking good, and I'm just waiting for some of these coins. These are the last 3 coins that are stacked up in the big minus. The rest I managed to either make a profit on or sell at a very low loss, and it's still a nice profit. So 137,570, 137,570. Let's just quickly type it in. Today is the 9th, and yeah, I made again a decent profit this week, 9.94%, and we're up a total of 135% from our beginning investment. If these numbers keep on going like that, if there is no big drop, I think I will triple my not triple my money. I will get to 1.5 in, I would say, about the week after next, so around the 23rd. Also, I'm still hoping that Bitcoin itself will get back up. Bitcoin is still down a bit. If we look at the market, we need BTC. Honestly, it doesn't really matter which one I take. Let's take Australian dollars. I don't want to search for euro at the moment, so it doesn't matter. So if we take a look at the why is it not working? 1 second, I'll just quickly search it out. I have no idea how to work this. I never worked this, so I thought you could just quickly search for it here, but I'll just find the proper chart because this is annoying. So yeah, what I wanted to say, Bitcoin still didn't completely recover from the big drop it had. It was at 54. At the moment we are still about 47. We're still about 8k under the peak price. So I'm also hoping that once the Bitcoin price stabilizes up to the value it had a month ago, of course the other markets, the other altcoins will also catch up, and we'll make some decent profit. But even though the Bitcoin didn't catch up completely, we're still in the plus. Oh, it's even 1,380 now. We can quickly update that. 1,380.85. 1,380. 85. Yeah, no, I even have more than 10%. It doesn't really matter, it's fluctuating the whole time. Sometimes it goes up, it will go down. Doesn't matter. But nonetheless, I'm happy with the results. I'm happy how the trader's going. And at the moment, I'm actually considering upgrading it. At the moment, I'm using the smallest hopper, the one for $19 a month, and I'm considering upgrading it to the adventure one. So I just have a bigger range of coins that I can trade. At the moment, I can trade 15 coins. With this, I think it was 60 or 80. I'm not sure. I have to check. But yeah, this might be my next step. If it keeps being unsteady, I will pay some more money in. As I told you last time, I'm also mining. I made about 350, no, about 300 euros in mining profits last month, and I'm gonna put it in here as well. So I have the profits from the trades, plus I think I'll add at least an additional 100 to 200 euros each month to build up a bigger portfolio. So that's it for the part of the hopper. To come to the other part that I was mentioning in the title, a bit of a rant for crypto.com. As I said, I ordered myself a card from crypto.com, and as far as I see, they're having really great cards. I really like the offers they have. I really like the cards, they look good. I have the card for about a month. I don't have the physical card. I got the app, and you can use the card because you get the card details in the app, and I'm using it now. I have it for about a month, and this is where kind of the problem starts, because of course I also want to use the physical card to either withdraw money or pay in shops, but I'm waiting now for about 5 weeks to finally get my physical copy of the card. And I'm not the only one. Actually, after months I got a bit annoyed and I started doing some research, and I tried finding out when the card will arrive. And I found a lot of people complaining that they've been waiting for 3 months, 4 months. Some people even been waiting for half a year to receive their cards, which I find a bit ridiculous. And the biggest problem I have with that is not the fact that they cannot provide the cards. I mean, okay, I get it, maybe they have some delivery problems, but my problem with the whole situation is that they're not giving out any informations. It was so hard finding any information on this. I was searching everywhere, and basically the only thing you can find is this. They're telling you the estimate delivery time. But the problem with this is that my card is not even being delivered yet. In the app, you can see the status of your card, and it says my card was issued. And then from issued, it goes to shipping, and then once it's shipped, it takes about 2 weeks to arrive. But I'm waiting for 5 weeks now for it to be shipped, and this is kind of ridiculous. So I started reaching out to Crypto.com. First, I tried contacting them through the support feature in the app, and they basically just sent me this: once the card is shipped, it will take 2 weeks. Yeah, I had this information. This didn't really help me. Then I tried reaching them via email, and I basically got the same answer: once it's shipped, it's gonna take 2 weeks. And at some point, I just went to their Facebook page, and I actually just wrote under their last post that I'm waiting for 5 weeks now, and that everything is taking ages, and I'm not receiving any informations. And the problem was that basically I was flooded by scammers. My post was just flooded by scammers. People were posting links to some weird investment sites and to some shady crypto investing things. Some guys even tried scamming me directly. One guy wrote me and said he can deliver the card within 2 days, but I just have to give him my password and my email address. And this I find a horrible way of doing business. I mean, Crypto.com is offering great product, but they're offering zero support, they're offering zero informations, and their Facebook page is just flooded with scammers. You can go to Facebook, go to Crypto.com's Facebook page, and check out any post. 95% of the comments underneath the posts are scammers. It's just people posting link to shady investment sites, people trying to make you pay for their weird services, for their signals, or just people straight up writing you and asking for your password. And this I just find sad. They have a great product that is really giving the whole crypto some value. You can actually I can now take the money that I make by investing and just take the debit card and go and buy groceries with it, or go and withdraw money from an ATM and use my crypto in the real world without any problems. To first change it and then put it on my actual bank account, which I don't want. I want my normal bank account and my crypto account to stay separated. But they are ruining it by offering one of the worst services I ever saw, and this annoys me so much. How can you ruin a great product by just not giving a shit about your social medias, not giving a shit about support, and just in general not caring at all? I mean, after some time and some posts on Facebook and a lot of back and forth with their supports, they basically told me that they are having some delivery issues and the cards are being printed, the cards are being produced according to their status. So of course the black cards are going to be produced first and then delivered, then the gold cards and the rose cards and then the ruby cards, and then of course the blue ones last. And they told me they cannot say exactly how long it will take, and they will come back to me once they have some updates. But it took me almost a week to get this information, and I was literally almost, I was not scammed, but people tried scamming me in the process of me just finding some information on when my card will arrive. Honestly speaking, I'm at the moment quite close of dropping out of Crypto.com again, because the service is horrible and they're not doing anything against the scammers, which I find even worse. And I think a lot of people will be discouraged by this. I mean, if I'm searching for a debit card, a crypto debit card, and I check out the social media of let's say Coinbase, Binance, and Crypto.com, and I see that they are flooded with scammers and people are complaining of not receiving their cards, and there is literally no information on the internet whatsoever when these cards will finally be delivered, I will of course choose someone else over Crypto.com. So I really hope, because as I said, I love their service, I love their cards. I really hope they get this shit fixed. I mean, they just need to hire a couple of social media managers that take care of all the scammers. They need to spread out some more informations. I mean, people will not be mad that it takes a bit more time for the cards to be delivered, but people will be mad if they don't get any information at all. So I really hope they can get this shit together. But nonetheless, I'm still hoping that I'll receive my card one day. I'm just waiting 5 weeks so far. People have been waiting months, but I hope I won't have to wait months. So that was my rant. I'm sorry for this. I just really got annoyed in the past week because I had to deal with a lot of people, like people writing me on my private site, private page, and trying to scam me and sending me their links. So yeah, I'm a bit frustrated at the moment, and I'm also a bit sick. But thank you for listening, and I'll leave my links down below. I'll leave my link to the Cryptohopper. You see my numbers. If you feel like joining, take my link, sign up and try it out yourself. Today I won't leave a link to my Crypto.com site because, as I said, at the moment I can't recommend it to anyone because they're just not doing a good service at the moment. Once they get their shit together, I'll be glad to promote them, but not as they are in the moment. So thank you for your time and have a good day. Bye.